guys, Laura here, and I have put together about a 10-minute long Pilates abdominal series for you. The only thing that you will need is a Pilates ball. I have linked the one that I am using down in the description below if you need one. Otherwise, if you have a foam roller, you could use that as well, or you could even just use the same series without a ball for the first half. You would just have to use a little bit more abdominal strength for it. The ball offers a little bit more support. And the second half, you could use a foam roller to help support you in your upper back. So go ahead, grab your ball, grab your foam roller, or just meet me at the mat, and let's go ahead and get started. To get started, you're going to go ahead and take your ball and place it behind your shoulder blade tips, right below them at your arch of your back. Place the ball onto the mat and reach your arms forward and across the wall. Your feet will be hip width apart, shoulders down your back, and you should be able to come up just a baby inch and still have your lower back be connected, and then resist backwards onto the ball and be supported here. That is exactly what we're going to be doing for our first exercise. Chin towards your chest, you reach forward and up, keeping that lower back connected, and then slowly resist right back downwards towards the ball. We go nice and slow, like you're pushing through honey, pushing through molasses. Resist it right back down without collapsing onto the ball. We stay active in what we call our C curl. Exhale, reach forward, resist it on back. Exhale, scoop the belly in towards that lower back. Shoulders stay down, away from your ears, as you feel like you're using your upper abdominals to help you reach forward and across the room. We're going to do 5 more here. Feet stay firmly planted onto the mat. Shoulders stay down and away from your ears. And you can even use hand weights or soup cans for a little bit of added resistance for the arms. Last 2. 1 more. You're going to hold your C curl. Shoulders down, belly in. We're going to move the arms. Right arms go up into toy shoulder and then lower it down. Left arm up. Exhale down. Scoop the belly in. Exhale down. Your lower belly pulls down into the ball. The upper belly is helping you to curl up and forward. So you're utilizing those abdominals to help you stabilize as you're moving the arms in space. Last 4. 3. 2. On 1, you still want those arms reaching parallel to the floor. We're going to move on to our legs. Exhale, right leg comes up. You're going to lift that right shin bone parallel to the floor. Resist it on down. Left leg next. We alternate. Exhale, lift. Resist down. So you lift from those lower abdominals, still shoulders down your back, still upper abdominals curling you forward, scooping that belly off of your thigh. You think that you're hinging from the hips, so notice that my knee, it doesn't change angle. My shin bone stays parallel to the ground when it comes up. My lower ab helps me to lift my leg up from the floor. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold. We're going to go back to the arms again. Lift the right arm up, karate chop it across your left thigh bone. Little rotation. Arm up, back to the right thigh. Stay to the right arm. Up, exhale, karate chop, up and lower. Up, karate chop, up and lower. So as you twist and karate chop, you still want to keep your hip bones even and connected towards the mat. Your knee bones still stay up and reaching tall towards the ceiling. You're twisting from your oblique. Your left arm still reaches long, so I'm reaching with parallel lines. My chin stays in alignment with my heart. Last 3, 2. Last 1. Then we've got the left side. Square off, left arm up, exhale, inhale, lower, inhale, exhale, twist, inhale, lower, reach, lengthen, twist, lift, lower. Lower belly still pulling down and back. Upper abdominals trying to curl you forward. This is 8. We've got 4 more. Exhale, twist. Feet are still firmly planted. Exhale, twist. Last 2. Last 1. Then we're moving to legs again. Straighten your legs out. So reach your hands forward. Belly still pulling in to the lower back here. Hold. Scooping that belly in. Shoulders still staying down. Still curling the head, neck, and shoulders up and forward. Finding that scoop through your belly. Still reach it long. Shoulders staying down. We're still in that hold. And then we're going to go ahead and move on to legs. Right leg lifts up. Lower down. Left leg lifts up. Lower down. Lifting from the lower abdominals, still reaching those hands forward on the horizon. You can feel me working. Well, I guess not feel me, you can hear me working as I have a little bit of rattle through my voice. Reach those arms parallel to the ground, curling upwards through those upper abdominals, shoulders staying down and away from those ears. I have 8. We'll go for 10 on this one. 1 more with the right, 1 more with the left. Hold it here. And then, guess what, you guys? We're going to go back to the arms. So, see if you can stay with me on this one. Right leg up, left arm to the left ankle. Both arms are still in parallel lines. From here, little reach, little twist, little reach. Trying to saw the left pinky to the right ankle. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower the leg, reach the arms, lift the left leg. We come to the right, left ankle, right hand. Little saw, little saw. Scoop through the belly, try to keep from bouncing. You're working through the obliques and working through the abdominals. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower the leg, center the body, reach for your toes. Big stretch through the hamstrings, through the lower belly, through the back. And then we're going to come into a laying down position. So I want the ball to come backwards a little bit, and it's going to be in between your shoulder blades. So if you've seen my foam roller video, this is about the spot that you want that ball to be in, where that foam roller would be at that middle of your upper back. We're going to go into some thoracic extensions. Legs are still straight, long, thighs together. Your hands are going to come behind the back of your head. You're going to resist your head downwards towards the mat. Your feet still stay down long, hamstrings into the ground as you open through your chest. So if you've seen my foam roller video, this should feel like a nice chest opening, thoracic extension, scooping through the belly to support that extension. And then I want you to exhale, lift up and forward, upper abdominal crunch. Coming backwards, resisting backwards, elbows can close, open, exhale, curl up and forward. Inhale back, close the elbows, open the elbows, exhale up and forward. Keep flowing through just like that. As you resist your head back, you still want to control that descent, pull the lower belly into the lower back. So we're not creating a huge arch through our lower back. The ball is supporting that extension through the upper back only. 3 more here. Every time we open the elbows, we try to open through the chest, open through the pecs a little bit more. You close the elbows, stretch the upper back. Last one here. Exhale, curl up, look forward, reach the hands forward. Once again, little saws, little reach,
Little pulses forward, trying to lift the head, neck, and shoulders up a little bit higher as your legs still stay down and connected to the ground. Lifting from your upper abs, shoulders staying down your back. Last 3, 2, 1. Resist the head, neck, and shoulders down. Hands come back behind the head to support the head. Elbows open wide. This time, we're going to alternate sides. When we twist, exhale, curl up. Look across your hip, but keep your opposite hip bone down. And then slowly lower the head back behind you through your center. Open the back. Exhale, curl up. Twist to your opposite side. And then come right back home. We're alternating each time. You try to keep the elbows open as you twist. You try to keep your hip bones down as you twist. You try to keep your feet connected to the floor as you twist. We're going to do 4 more here, all together. Reach back behind. Maybe your head even touches the mat now this time. Shoulders open wide, belly pulling in, legs still reaching long. Exhale, chin to your chest, roll forward, reach forward towards your toes, and then slowly stack up.
You can crisscross your legs. We'll just take a little bit of stretching here. We're going to lift the arms up. Exhale, twist, and stretch through that upper back. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, twist, stretch through that upper back. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale, twist. Good. Come onto your belly button. So you're going to reach your legs long behind you. You can just toss the ball aside. Lay down on your belly button. Hands down by your shoulders. Scooping that belly in. And take a little bit of a stretch through that belly. Open through the chest. Elbows tight by your side. Feet down and connected to the ground. Lower the nose down towards the mat. And again, hands into the mat, belly pulling in. You find a nice upper back opening, chest opening. So I'm not going to a full cobra. I'm just using this to help me stretch the front side of my belly that just works so hard. Lower down. One more time. Hands into the mat, belly in, shoulders back, and lift. And then you can take a child's pose stretch. And that's it for our abdominal video. If you liked this workout, or if you tried this workout, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so that I know that you participated. And if you would like to see more content like this, subscribe to my page so that you can keep getting notified on all of the workout videos that I have, the fitness tips that I provide, and the wellness stuff that I have to offer as well. If you have any specific things that you would like to work on, that you need help with, go ahead and drop a comment down to let me know what you would like to do more of, so I can create content for you that you enjoy, that you like to watch. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. I enjoyed doing this workout with you guys. I'll catch you on my next video on the mat, and in the description section you will find some other videos as well that can complement this abdominal workout, and I'll catch you guys next time.